Southern Scratcher, whoa. We have some Scratcher tickets trying to win the lotto. Comment, like, and subscribe before you go.
Okie dokie, Southern Scratchers got a $100 lot. We got a $30 Millionaire Maker. We got a $25 Extreme Cash. We got two of the $10 tickets, a Carolina Black and a new 50 times the cash, and a gob of $5 tickets. We got Cash Plus, Megabucks, Black Diamonds. There's a Power Shot hiding behind there, and our good old loser 500 stacks. So let's get started on this $100 lot. I could put it where you could see it. Alrighty, 500 stacked. We're looking for matching numbers, a 5x multiplier, or that hard to find $500 burst. 31, 33, 36, or a 20. No 13. Match on 20. Nice. No 37. No 22. No 14. No 8. No 21. No 16. No 17, no 27, no 32, and the clutch corner is no 28. We got a, look at that, a $10 double up on the old 500 stacked. Nice. We're on the board. No skunk today. Alrighty, Power Shot. We're looking for a roll of cash and a chance to multiply it with a Power Shot multiplier. Nothing on the Power Shot today. Black Diamond sevens. We're looking for a single seven, double sevens, double the prize, or a diamond is the win all. 6, 22, 14, or a 21. No 15, no 1, no 18, no 10, no 11, no 23, no 3, no 13, no 29, no 28, no 25, and no 30. So nothing on the Black Diamond sevens. Alrighty, Megabucks. We're looking for matching numbers, roll of cash, 5x multiplier, or the Bucks symbol is the win all. 30, 37, 24, or a 21. No 13, no 27, no 6, no 26, no 34, no 14, no 16, no 18, no 40, no 36, no 33, and no 29. So nothing on the Megabucks. Alrighty, last $5 tickets. Cash Plus. Hopefully we'll find a plus symbol or a double plus. We're looking for matching numbers or a coin. That single plus adds $10 to the prize. Double plus adds 20. 8, 6, 28, or old pesky 12. No 5, no 19, no 14, no 4, no 26, no 2, no 27. Look at that, we finally found a plus symbol. So whatever this prize is, we can add $10 to it. No 30, no 13, no 17, and no 9, no 9, no 9. It has taken us forever to find a plus symbol. So we add, look at that, a $15 ticket because we got a $5 win, and a single plus adds 10 to it. So $15. All right, we're at $25. Alrighty, I'm starting to enter our two $10 tickets. 50 times the cash. This is a triple zero ticket. Man. Alrighty, we're looking for matching numbers 2, 5, 10, 20, or 50x multiplier. Number 1, 18, 41, 3, 31, or a 21. No 6, no 26, no 24, no 19. Match on 3 on a triple zero ticket. Alright, no 48, no 28, no 17, no 47, no 8, no 39, no 9, no 9, no 9, no 49, no 16, and no 29. But our match on 3, 4, a $10 break even. That we will take on a 000 ticket. All right, 35 bucks. All righty, Carolina Black's our last $10 ticket. Matching numbers, a coin, scripted all's the win all, or a $100 burst. 2, 37, 36, 3, 6, or a 33. No 40, no 31, no 5, no 7, no 10, no 29, no 9, no 9, no 9, no 19, no 30, no 23, no 15, no 26, no 28, no number 1, and no 14, so nothing on the Carolina Black. Alrighty, extreme cash. We're looking for a coin for 200, bag of cash for 500. Down at the bottom's matching numbers, roll of cash, 5 or 10x multiplier, or this ticket has a chance at a $100 burst. All right, nothing in the bonus. 40, 29, 20, 33, 3, 23, 41, or 31. No 69, no 47, no 14, no 42, no 37, no 63, no 18, no 8, no 6, no 27, no 19, match on 40. Nice. That is a $40 minimum win. All right. See if we can get something to go along with it. No 64, no 13, no 68, no 28, no pesky 12, no big 70, no 67, no, well, we do have a match on 41. We got a match on 40 and a match on 41. No 60, no 26, no 11, no 24, and the clutch corner is no 43, but we got a match on 40 and 41. 40 is 25 bucks. We could have a $50 winner. Look at that, 50 bucks, a double up on the extreme cash. So now we got one big ticket list. We got 50, 60, 75, 85 bucks so far. Alrighty. Millionaire Maker, ticket number 12, pesky 12. We need a bag of cash in the bonus. Down at the bottom is matching numbers, stack of cash, 10 or 20x multiplier, or this ticket has a $200 burst. We have not found it yet. Nothing in the bonus. 53, 63, 7, 34, 17, 47, 37, 67, all the sevens, 24, or a 60. No 50, no 2, no 16. Bam, 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 bam. Look at that. We found the $200 burst. That is awesome. All right. Good deal. Profit Sessionville. Nice. No 33. I don't think we'll find anything else, but we'll go ahead and look anyway. No pesky 12. No number 1. No 6. No 29. No 39. See, today's Wednesday. So we started Monday with a profit session. Tuesday with a profit session. Wednesday with a profit session. That would be awesome if we keep this whole week up. No 32. No 62. No 11. No 40. No 65. No 61. No 49. No 55. I don't know why I'm scratching the rest of this off. I know there's not going to be anything else on here. No 27. No 46. No 56. No 69. No 30. No 41. No 19. No 51. I can't believe it. I just had a first mosquito fly by me. No 54. No 58. No 36. And the clutch corner is a no 25. But we did have that beautiful $200 burst. Sweet. Aren't we 200? There is 250. 260. 275. 285 on our $100 lot, and we've rolling through those profit sessions this week, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Sweet hump day profit. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, but most importantly guys, thank you so very much for watching.